Hi, this is Jack Parker. I combed my hair better from that last video. Now I've changed the pump to a smaller one on my filtration system for the fish pond, so hopefully now it's not gushing but it's more like flowing. Let me show you what this pump is. This is the one I had before, and now this is the one that I just replaced it with, so hopefully this will be better. Now let's take a look at the clarity of the water right now around 5 p.m. and we'll come back about an hour and see what it looks like then. Okay, it's been an hour. Let's see if the water's any clearer. Not really. Alright, let's wait another hour. Waiting for it to clear a little bit. And now it's 1 hour later, 7 p.m. Looks like it's worse. No difference. Ah. Okay, now it's 2 days later, around 5 p.m. Pretty good. The clarity looks a little bit nicer, and the whole pool in general looks a little bit nicer. Now it's time for fish. Well, I guess now it's time to get some fish. It's probably clear enough. And most of the pool looks clear, so I think it's fish time. And let me know if you do something similar and how it works out for you. Bye-bye.